Let's work some slash thrust combinations. So grab your collie stick. We're gonna first go through the combination with the weapon, and then we'll add some basic footwork. Working the forehand side, go ahead and start off with the right lead. You can do this in the left lead as well. We're gonna strike down our angle 1. We're not gonna go all the way through to the hip here. We're gonna stop about halfway, and then we're gonna fire the thrust out, the backhand thrust. So we're gonna go slash angle 1 to backhand thrust. We call the second thrust. Now from here, I'm gonna flip it over, and I'm gonna end with a number 1 umbrella. But it's not the slashing umbrella. We're gonna pop the umbrella. So we want the upper third of the weapon to kind of make this little popping action. Then we're gonna come back to the chamber and then repeat. So slash number 1, backhand thrust, pop that 1 umbrella. 1, thrust, umbrella. That's the combination right there. Only 3 movements. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's turn around. Do a couple reps with me on this. Make sure we got it. Slash, thrust, umbrella. Angle 1, backhand thrust, umbrella. Right there. Second combination is we're gonna flip it and go off of the angle 2 slash, work the backhand side. From here, we're gonna slash down our angle 2, pop the forehand thrust, then we're gonna flip it up and go with the number 2 umbrella. Again, same thing, we're not gonna cut this umbrella, we're gonna pop the tip right there and then start over again. We're gonna cut down, but again, don't go all the way to the hip. It's not a full slash, it's like half slash and then thrust on the forehand. Flip it, boom, pop that number 2 umbrella. So angle 2, forehand thrust, 2 umbrella. Slash, thrust, umbrella. Slash, thrust, umbrella. Okay, right there. Let's get a couple reps in of this one together, nice and slow. Slash down the 2, about halfway. Hit that thrust, flip it, boom, number 2 umbrella. Slash, thrust, umbrella. Angle 2, thrust, 2 umbrella. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Once you have the weapon part down, let's go ahead and add in some basic footwork so we can make the training a little bit more dynamic, a little bit more alive. Off the forehand side, we're gonna be using the left side of the diamond. Just keep it nice and simple here. We're gonna start off in that right lead. I'm gonna step left 45 up that reverse triangle as I slash my angle 1. My feet are gonna come back under my hips, so I step up with that rear foot as I pop the thrust. My right foot's gonna step up the forward triangle, boom, and I'm gonna hit that 1 umbrella right there. Okay, then let's go ahead and turn it around, stay in camera frame, and repeat going the other direction. So left 45 with the 1 slash, step up with that rear leg on the thrust, and then right 45 right there on that 1 umbrella. And then we can turn it around. If you have a big field, like I do have here, then you can just keep on going. 1, bop, 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 just like that. But to keep in camera frame and have that full range stride, I'm just gonna go and turn it around. Which is good, because if you're in like an enclosed space, maybe you're training in your living room, something like that, you can train in smaller areas and still work everything. 1, 2, 3, right there. Slash, thrust, umbrella. Slash, thrust, umbrella. Slash, thrust, umbrella. Slash, thrust, umbrella. Let's do a couple reps together. Follow me. Left 45, slash. Right foot steps up, thrust. Right 45, umbrella. Let's do that again. Slash, thrust, umbrella. Let's do 2 more together. Slash, thrust, umbrella. Gotta make it smooth like that. Slash, thrust, umbrella. All right, good job, good job. Let's get to combination number 2. For combination number 2, the footwork's gonna be a little bit different this time. This time, we're gonna imagine like we are already at the base of the footwork triangle. I'm gonna step in right 45 with the right foot, coming up that footwork triangle. I'm gonna pop the thrust, and then I'm gonna get back out with that 2 umbrella right there. And so basically what we're doing is we're coming in, hit that thrust, and then get out, okay? So in, thrust, get out. In, thrust, get out. Slash thrust, out on the umbrella. Slash thrust, out on the umbrella. Now what you can do here to play around with some variation is we can come in, pop, and come out the same way that we went in, or we can mix it up and come out, boom, on that 90. Okay, slash thrust and get out on a new angle right there. Slash thrust, out on the angle. Slash thrust, out on the angle. Okay, slash thrust, out on the angle. Let's do a couple of these together. I'm gonna start off over here. We're gonna step in, slash thrust, and then move back on that left 45 right there. Boom, 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 boom. Let's get that first. Okay, then we can work on the 90 degrees. Boom, boom, and then step off on that 90. Just reset it for now. Slash thrust, 90. Slash thrust, 90. Slash thrust, 90. One more. Slash thrust, 90. Let's take our 2 combinations with the footwork and just kind of link them together and have some fun. So starting in our right lead position, number 1 chamber position, I want you to imagine almost like we're fighting multiple opponents when we link these combinations together here. So we're gonna start off with the first one. Left 45, slash, pop that thrust. Here's the umbrella right there. Now from here, we're gonna turn around 180 degrees. I'm gonna step left 45 again, but I'm just gonna do my 1 slash all the way through like that. I'm gonna step up, right, hit that 2, pop the thrust, and then get out on that number 2 umbrella. As I pivot 180 degrees to my right, so clockwise, I'm gonna come down on that fluid angle 2 right there, okay? Going all the way through. So we have slash, thrust, umbrella. That's the first drill. We're gonna turn around, hit the 1, slash, thrust, umbrella, and then recover on that number 2. And that puts us right back in the same spot. 1, 2, umbrella, turn. 1, 2, thrust, umbrella, and recover right there. Slash, thrust, umbrella, boom, slash, thrust, umbrella, and recover. This is a great combination for blending some tactics together, and we get to work some of that basic footwork into our maneuvering skills, changing some direction. You can also just take that field, and with the combination, combining everything, you can just run it all the way up and down a field as well. But I thought it'd be kind of cool to show you some of the turnarounds, some of the pivoting footwork, and you can kind of start playing around as if you're, imagine like you're fighting multiple opponents. So a lot of high percentage moves here, high percentage navigation, with the footwork. So give it a try, have fun, and then see what you can do with it. Explore it, be creative, and see if you can kind of mix and match, maybe explore some different footwork options within the drills as well. If you want to continue your training with me and dive deeper into this Kali stuff, head over to KaliCenter.com, and I got basically 2 options for you. Number 1, if you're a beginner, a complete beginner, check out my new Kali Foundations training course. This is a complete home study course that focuses mostly on solo training, just like we're doing here. A lot of cool solo training drills that takes you through all the areas of Kali. If you're feeling like you're a little bit more advanced, maybe you want a little bit more meat on the bones, then join us inside of our online school. Join us inside of our community right there, and you get access not only to our on-demand library there, but also our live stream classes. and the replays in case you missed the live stream. No big deal. So I have the link, first link down in the description at collegecenter.com. Hopefully I'll see you over there. And go outside, enjoy the day, have fun, and go be great.